Hello and welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and on today's episode we're going to be working outside. I bought some beautiful hydrangeas at Costco and I'm going to clean and decorate the porch for spring and Easter. So let's get going. During the winter I stored the pots in the garage and I took them out and I'm giving it a good rinse to get it ready to put the hydrangeas on. I bought these terracotta pots last year at Costco. The pots have a beautiful deep blue color. I'm going to use the hose to also clean the floor of the porch and some of the walls. This is a new house. We just moved last October, so it's not very dirty. I just want to remove the dust and any salt from the winter. My front door is painted in a beautiful red color. It's from Benjamin Moore and it's called Dutch Tulip. I live in a coastal town in Massachusetts and the temperature is still a little bit cooler. Today is about 60 and the plants are not sprouting yet. I'm cleaning all the side door windows with glass cleaner. I changed the outdoor rug and put a pale color light blue for the season. I'm also going to add a doormat. If you watched one of my previous shopping hauls, I bought this wreath with only the Easter eggs at TJ Maxx. I embellished it with the carrots and some Easter bunnies that I got at the dollar store. I also added crinkled grass and a bow, and it made a big difference. It looks more custom made. I bought this bunny at the dollar store and I made a bow and I'm going to hang it on the side wall. I bought these beautiful pink hydrangeas today at Costco, and their color complements beautifully with the blue terracotta pots. And there you have it, a simple and minimalist from Porch. I love the vibrant colors of the season. I will do another video so you can look at the landscape when it has a sprout. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. My videos are about cooking, cleaning, decorating, seasonal craft, and many more things. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope you join me next time in Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.